Unfortunately, the bad feeling that I've had for a while was true. When T. Stauch come to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, she brought Gannon with her. She disposed of his remains in Paso, Florida. Construction workers found Gannon's remains along a stretch of road yesterday or day before yesterday, and they have been tentatively identified as Gannon Stauch. I have had a really, really bad feeling for a while, and I hate that my feeling was true. But T. Stauch, on her way to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, disposed of Gannon in Paso, Florida.